In this video, I'm going to be guiding you how to add NordVPN extension to Chrome. So let's just begin with that. Now, before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below to get amazing benefits on NordVPN. So to get it for the extension, really easy. First, you need to head over to your NordVPN official platform. As you can see, you can search NordVPN onto a search bar onto any browser, like for example Chrome. Then head over to the very first link. Once you are there, you can see we have this option of download VPN on top, and this is the exact thing that we need, because inside we can find this extensions section. So what you need to do is simply head over to download VPN and click on extensions for Chrome. Once you are there, you need to simply purchase a VPN, and you have this option to add it to Chrome. So you can add it to Chrome and it will be heading over to Chrome Web Store. Over here, as you can see, click on this get option completely for free, no credit card and nothing, and you have your extension. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. You can also head over to the link in the description below.